Hey guys, welcome to session 1. I just want to kind of give you a general overview of the course and again just to remind you where we're going with everything. So just want to show you session 1, what that's going to look like, and other sessions will look very similar. So here's our welcome video, of course, that you're watching right now. Moving on down to the course plan, just a reminder that you want to make sure you check that continuously just to keep you on track, know where we're going. And as I mentioned, I'll make any changes. If I make any changes, I'll be sure to let you know in the news feed. Here are our module objectives. Just talking about the differences between American and Finnish education, looking at international education, and how that may play into American education and what we experience or have experienced in school. But also remember that you do have to respond with your response post in discussion board, and also respond to at least 2 other peers as well. That is the assignment, which I'm going to show you. So again, moving into our activities here. First and foremost, make sure that you have visited the field experience observation, or excuse me, orientation page, outlining the assignment and any other documentation you need. Make sure you get that done as soon as possible. Don't leave it to the end. You also want to make sure you fill out this form and send it back to me, which is the Declaration of Field Experience page. And this is so I have someone to contact, I know where you're going, all those types of things. So please fill that out ASAP. Moving on down, as I mentioned in the previous page, that your response post is your assignment. So every session will have a response post, and you're going to respond to the session 1 issue, which is on the next module. However, you also need to upload your discussion board response post in a Word document for a Dropbox submission. Basically, I want to be able to evaluate your discussion board post, but in a Word document, so I can provide some comments and things like that. So essentially, you are uploading your response post twice, once to the discussion link for others to see, and once to the Dropbox for me to see. And then again, you need to respond to at least 2 peers' responses in the discussion board link for you to get credit. Here are some things to consider and possibly include in your responses. Please remember our netiquette that we talked about, and being respectful of others, even in differences and values. But make sure that you support your answers. And then also, I just want you to, again, to remind you about the response post and how it relates to our field experience. Viewing the Finland phenomenon and responding to the response post earns you actually 1 hour of field experience. So again, it's really valuable for you to do. If you choose not to do it, then you can do the full 10 hours at your field site, but I'm omitting 2 of those, 1 hour right now and 1 hour in the later in the semester. Moving on to finally our session issue. So here is what you need to read and review, and it is all here. Yes, there is plenty of things to read, but really exciting. And again, here is the Finland phenomenon. So if you'd like to, again, omit an hour from your field experience, you are, omit 2 hours from your field experience, you are welcome to do so. There. And then last thing I just want to show you is the enrichment activities, and these are just really fun, cool things. Certainly not required, but definitely helpful, and this one isn't showing up. So if you come up to your block site here and just click load unsaved scripts, it'll come up, and you can kind of see it's loading here, but it's a podcast, really neat and great to listen to, the Angel of Burundi. So if you are interested in that. Anyway, guys, look forward to a great semester with you, and let me know if I can help. Thanks.